Starting a YouTube channel in this 2025 with just 0 subscribers might seem impossible, but the truth is every YouTuber you're seeing today, including me, started with 0 subscribers. Like every creator you're seeing on YouTube today started with 0 subscribers. But look at today, I have over 500 and something subscribers and still counting. So you can start your own YouTube channel with 0 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys practical tips, no fake tips. I'll be giving you tips that will make you move from 0 subscribers to 1,000 and more subscribers. So just listen, watch this video and learn the tips. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel and I make videos about tools, tips and strategies for small YouTubers on how to grow on YouTube. So if you're interested in this YouTube channel, please subscribe and make sure you like this video. On today's video, I'll be giving you guys real tips on how to start a YouTube channel in this 2025, even with 0 subscribers. So let's just dive. In case you don't know how to create a YouTube channel from scratch, I've already done a video about it. In that video, I explained how you can use your Gmail and create a YouTube channel. So just watch the video card when you're done with this one. You can click on it when you're done with this video. So after creating your YouTube channel, you need to select a niche. And the advice I'm going to be giving you when you want to select your niche is try to be specific about choosing your niche. For example, instead of choosing tech review niche, try to be more specific, like choosing tech review for gadgets under $100. This way, you're being specific. You're being specific when you're choosing your niche, because one thing which being specific when choosing your niche is people usually come to YouTube to search for a specific topic. They don't go to YouTube to search for general topics. They usually go for specific topics. Then, for example, if you want to go for the baking niche, you can be like baking for beginners. Do you get? So that is what I mean. Try to be specific whenever you want to choose your niche. When you choose your niche, this will help you a lot. Another tip I'm going to be giving you is every video that you create on YouTube needs to have a purpose. You need to ask yourself, will someone that don't know me watch my video? That is what I'm saying. So if you post a video on YouTube, try to ask yourself that question. Will people, like will strangers, click this video and watch this video? And also make sure that your videos solve a problem. Make sure that your videos are filled with value, because if they are not filled with value, nobody will watch your videos, because nobody knows you on YouTube. You have 0 subscribers. Nobody knows you. So try to ask yourself that question and make sure that your intro is not boring, because boring intros will make people to click off immediately. They won't watch your video. Like they won't watch it till the very end. Maybe after 15 seconds or 10 seconds, they will click off immediately because your intro is boring. So try to make sure that your intro is not boring to help you a lot. The next tip I'm going to be giving you is to master your thumbnail and title. These two things, they are the things that will magnet your clicks. They are the things that will make people to click your video. So if your thumbnail and your title are not on point, nobody will click on your videos. So you need to be specific when you want to create your thumbnail. Try to be designing your thumbnail in a particular way, so when somebody sees it, they will know that this video is from you. So try to master how to design a very good thumbnail. Your thumbnail speaks volumes. Your thumbnail needs to be well designed. Then your title, you need to come up with a good title. You need to come up with good titles, because if your title is not good enough, nobody will watch your videos. If your title does not stop the scroll, nobody will watch your videos. You can use tools like Google Trends, you can use VidIQ, TubeBuddy. They can help you come up with good titles for your videos. Don't just write anything you feel like writing. Try to write a good title so that people will click your video and watch your video. The next advice I'm going to be giving you guys is to make sure you use the first 15 seconds of your video. The beginning of the first 15 seconds, use it wisely, because in that first 15 seconds, it will determine if the person will watch your video till the very end. So if you don't grab their attention in the first 15 seconds, I'm sorry, they will click off and that video will not go viral. So instead of saying, hello guys, my name is so and so, why not list the problem first? List the problem. After listing the problem, try to promise them that you're going to give them a solution in that video. That will make them that will intrigue them, that will hook them. You know, when you list that problem, like the reason why they click that video, when you list it out or when you say it out, they will stop. They will watch your video till the very end to know what you have to say. To master the arts of hooking your viewers in the first 15 seconds, it will help you a lot. That is what I have to say. If they don't continue watching after the first 15 seconds, they will not. Your video will not go viral. Your video will not go viral at all. That video will remain the way it is. Then the next advice I'm going to be giving you is that you don't need any fancy gear. If you're just a beginner, you're just starting out, you don't need any fancy gear. You can just use whatever you have. Just get a good mic a cheap mic, it will work for you. Then your phone camera, you can use it to record your video. With this, you can grow on YouTube. That is the honest truth. You have to be consistent on YouTube. You need to be consistent on YouTube. If you're not consistent on YouTube, you will not grow. You need to like pick a realistic upload schedule. If it's once a week or 2 times in a week, just pick the one that you can do. Don't upload the video today and the next you're going to upload the video will be in the next 3 weeks or 4 weeks. No, the YouTube algorithm will not know who to show your videos to. So try to be uploading consistently. When you upload consistently, you're training the algorithm to like know who to show your videos to. That is the honest truth. That is what I discovered about YouTube. Do not leave your channel unattended. Like, you won't post the video for a very long time. It will destroy your channel. It will destroy your watch time, and some of your subscribers will unsubscribe. So pick a realistic upload schedule. If it's once a week, try to be uploading your videos once a week. Be doing it every week, and before you know it, the YouTube algorithm will know who to show your videos to. You start getting your viewers and all that, your audience. Then again, remember what I said, you don't need any fancy gear, just your phone is enough. You might get a tripod, you can use a cheap mic. All these things are what you need, honestly. Then the next advice I'm going to be giving you is to engage with your viewers, engage with your audience, engage like you already have a community. Try to reply comments, try to like create posts on your community posts, like try to ask questions in your videos. Like, for example, in this video, is this video boring? This video is boring. Go down to the comment section and let me know how to like upgrade. Do you get? So try to engage with your community. And another thing is, instead of creating or posting videos every blessed day, you're posting video, you're uploading a video every day, you're uploading low quality videos, you will not grow. Instead of doing that, why not upload one high quality video every week? It's going to help you, instead of posting it every day. When you're posting your videos every day, you're confusing the YouTube algorithm. You need to post a video and let the algorithm understand what your video is about. Then engage with your audience. Once they comment, just reply their comments. And your first 10 subscribers, you need to treat them like royalty. Because they are your first 10 subscribers. Like, you get, so treat them with royalty till you get to 1,000 and 10,000, and then just treat them with royalty and engage with your community. When you do all these things, you're going to grow. You're going to become somebody on YouTube. Your channel will blow up on YouTube. Don't forget everything I said in this video. Practice everything and your channel will blow up. The last tip I'm going to be giving you, I'm going to be calling this one the golden tip, because it is very, very necessary to grow as a YouTuber. So instead of creating videos for the algorithm, I want you to picture a person, picture your friend, like your close friend, your best friend. Picture that person, and whenever you want to create a video, try to picture the person and speak to that person. Like, speak to that particular person. Don't speak as if you're speaking to a crowd of people. Speak to one person. That is how you connect with your viewers. This is the honest truth. This is how you connect with your viewers. So when you picture that person, try to teach the person, try to entertain them, try to like, make the person feel welcomed. This is how you grow on YouTube. And when you do all these things, you will grow from zero to something real. That is the honest truth. So picture the person that you're like talking to and create your video. That way people will feel more connected to you. They will feel more connected. So try to do all these things, and when you do it, you're going to blow up on YouTube. So my dear viewers, if you're viewing me, if you're watching this video right now, let me know. Are you planning on creating a YouTube channel? Do you want to create a YouTube channel? If you want to create a YouTube channel, please go to the comment section and let me know. Just tell me, so that maybe in my next video I'll give you a shout out. So just try it. Go down to the comment section and write down your channel name, and in my next video I will give you a shout out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure you like this video. It will help this video to go viral. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And also, please don't forget to click that video card showing on your screen.